welcome to December's tutorials. I have got some lovely pictures to colour and we have got some lovely pens to colour with this month, which I'm really excited about. I've gone for the super Christmassy, super festive option of sparkly pens, obviously, which isn't very arty, but you know, you can still get a lot of different effects out of them. So let's have a play. Okay. In our pack of pens, we have got, ta-da! So we've got 8 coloured pens. We've got red, orange, yellow, a nice dark green, which you clearly need for Christmas, a light blue, a dark blue, a fairly pinky purple, and a black. The sparkle is really good on all of these. It's a bit harder to see in the yellow particularly, but I think that's just because it's such a pale colour. But you will see as we go. So the box is also sparkly, which I love. It's clearly a sparkly time of year. Okay, so these are, in case you missed that, Maped Colourpeps Glitter. They do non-glitter versions. These pens are quite good. Generally, stationery items by Maped are fairly all right. I rate them. So we shall see. Okay, so for this picture, I have got a bauble with lots of baubles inside it, and I'm just going to colour this really straightforward. I'm going to do one colour per section and stick to fairly traditional colours. So the holly's going to be green instead of, pink. And we'll see how we go. So let's start. As usual, not going to start anywhere sensible. I'm going to start right in the middle. As you can see, these have got quite a fine tip on them. There we go. So you can do really quite small details with them, which is awesome. Even the tip is sparkling in the light right now. I love it. Okay, let's do some holly berries. So it won't look sparkly really until I have filled in some bigger areas of colour. I don't think. Oh, there's a little twinkle there. But obviously it's quite a small patch of colour that. So let's do a little bit more and see how we go. As you can see, this is a lovely dark green. It's got a proper shimmer to it with these pens, which is just brilliant. I don't know why I haven't done the other holly leaf down there. Oh, it annoys me when other people do videos and miss bits out. I have become that person. Oh no! All right, yeah, fixed it. So yeah, I'm just going to colour quite straightforward with this one. And try and show you just how sparkly these pens are. They are brilliant. So if you have, for whatever reason, not ordered this month's box, you can definitely still get hold of the pens and have a play with them yourself. I highly recommend them. They are very good. I think I'll put a blue background on that one. Once we get the background in on this bit, we should start to see a bit more of the sparkle showing up. As you can see, they're quite wet pens. So I've given you your designs on quite sturdy paper still. I've still used my standard multimedia paper, because I think if you use these on just ordinary thin, like print paper, ATGSM paper, it would just rip right through quite quickly, I think, because they are very nicely juicy. We like a juicy pen. All right, here we go. The trick is not to mix them all together too much when I'm trying not to. You know me and not colouring inside the lines. It is not my forte. You're probably looking at this going, I could do this much neater, and I'm sure you can. I'm pretty sure my 5-year-old is watching it going, I can do that better, mummy. Right, let's have a look. So as you can see, there's a proper Nice shimmery sparkle going on there. Hold it up close if I move the light up a little bit. Is that gonna work? Yeah, there we go. A proper little sparkle there. There's a really nice shine to it. I love it. It is brilliant. As you can see, the yellow is a bit less sparkly. Again, I think that's because it's just a lighter colour. Yay! You might not need colouring. Okay. So we have got, oh, let's do that one. Let's do that dark blue. I'm pretty undecided on how I'm going to colour this. I'm just going to see how it goes.